Good morning. I am a couple of minutes earlier today. Thank you so much for your understanding for me canceling the practice yesterday because of the migraine. The weather here is crazy. My head doesn't like it at all. It's like it was 60 during the weekend. Then it was 34. Now it's 47. They say it's gonna snow. It doesn't even rain. It's just too much. Good morning, Alice. And I forgot my phone stand, so I have to go somewhere where I can hold it in my hands. I think it is raining here. Good morning, Vicky. Good morning, Gina. Good morning, Judy. Good morning, Mike. Oh, oh my God! I almost fell. Not sure what I slipped on. Glad that I did not fall. Good morning, Jana. Oh my goodness, it is raining all of a sudden. Oh, yeah, yeah, it was supposed to be snowing. It's okay. It's okay. We can deal with it. I just need to sit somewhere where I can hold my phone in my hands because on top of everything, I forgot my little phone stand at home. Oh, the tree is still lit up. Nice. Oh, yeah, I think you can tell on the pond that it's. Is it a little frozen? Huh. Can't be because it was only below zero yesterday. Anyway, you can see the rain here. I have to sit somewhere like this. I think, oh, look at those duckies. Good morning, Mariella. I need to figure out how to prop my phone because I forgot my stand. That's okay. All right, so let's start. Today we finally start the new series. I'm calling the series Embodied Life, exploring embodiment of emotions and feelings. And I'm calling it this because we will learn a drastically different type of meditation as a body. Embodied meditation is different from the mindfulness of the body, which we were doing before. For example, in that when we're mindful of the body, there is still some separation between mind and body. But when we learn to meditate as a body, we dissolve the separation and enter the domain of total oneness. Isn't that amazing? Like total interconnectedness. And I am quite excited about these explorations together. And of course, throughout the next few weeks, we will look at various emotions and feelings and how we do them in our body, creating a more and more embodied life. You may want to ask why we want to become more and more embodied. Why not just, stay the way it is the way we are in our head most of the time? Well, obviously, I have an answer for you. Otherwise, I wouldn't be suggesting this series. An embodied life is allowing your body to have a say. It's listening to it, feeling it, moving it, and being fully in it throughout the day. One of James Joyce's story character in the story A Painful Case, James Joyce begins like this. Mr. Duffy lived a short distance from his body. Mr. Duffy lived a short distance from his body. And really, many of us live just like that, a short distance from our bodies. We are rarely in the present moment. Our habit is to be somewhere else, ruminating or nostalgic about the past on one hand, and worrying or fantasizing about the future on the other hand. Living like this in our head, we're missing out on the full experience of life. Many of us use the body as sort of a brain taxi, like something that just moves our brain around. Well, it's not. Shutting our bodies out in the way many of us do is like driving a car and ignoring your dashboard signals. Our body always lives in the present moment. Reconnecting with our body can make us healthier, happier, and more vibrant. It makes us feel more alive. On a practical level, our body communicates with us all day long. And once we start to tune into this communication, we can start giving ourselves what we really need to thrive. Of course, we already know the bigger signals of the body, such as I'm hungry, I'm thirsty, I'm sleepy, but there's so much more. On a subtler level, when we live an embodied life, we reconnect with our instinct, our gut feeling, and become more attuned to our physical and emotional states. For example, we can feel the anxiety coming up and do something about it before we spiral and completely lose it. Or we can read the signals that precede a painful flare-up and intervene before anything drastic happens. Anyway, without any further ado, let's dive into the basic practice of embodied meditation, a body scan. We've done this practice many times already. And today, I want you to focus on how you're relating to your body. Are you experiencing this scan as the body, or you're just moving your awareness about your body as if you're looking at it from the outside? There is a big difference, of course. See if you can stay in the body through the exercise and really connect with your direct experience. So take a comfortable position. I'm going to put the phone down for a moment because I need to put gloves on. It's very cold. But you don't wait for me. Take a comfortable position. Take a few moments to notice what's going on for you today. We can start with the external circumstances, all the sounds and sensations of the outside world. And then little by little, start zooming in on your inner world. Notice how it feels to be you, right here, right now. Today, Let's select sensations in your right hand, whatever the sensations are, sensations in your right hand as your primary anchor. So every time you notice that your mind drifts off, bring your awareness gently but firmly back to the sensations in your right hand. Your breath is soft and easy. You don't try to control it. You simply notice how it flows in and out of your body and how your body responds to the breath. And notice all of this not as an outside observer, but as a body breathing, sensing. Throughout this body scan, I'll bring your attention to different parts of your body. Simply follow my voice and see if you can inhabit this part that is named. Feel it from the inside out as a body sensing itself. And don't worry if you don't have an empty mind. It is absolutely normal to become distracted by thoughts, and also by other senses, such as sounds, physical sensations, itches, whatever it is. Every time you notice you are distracted, congratulations. In that very moment, you are being totally present. This is meditation. So let's start the body scan with the crown of your head. Feel it from the inside out. Feel it as a body, not just visualize or imagine it. What's really happening around the crown of your head? What are the sensations there? Tingling, expansion, warmth, numbness. Stay with your direct experience, whatever that may be. Trust it. Now bring your attention to your face. Feel it from the inside out as a body sensing itself, not as an outside observer looking onto a body. What are the sensations in your face, inside your head, coming towards your eyes, towards your lips, towards your ears, from the center? Now move your awareness to your throat. What do you notice here as a body? Your right arm from shoulder to hand. Your left arm from shoulder to hand. What are the sensations here from the inside out as a body sensing itself? Your torso, front and back. Your pelvis. Your left leg from hip to foot. Your right leg from hip to foot. What are the sensations? And now feel your entire body as one sensation. Inhabit it. Don't just imagine or visualize it. Sense it from the inside out. You are not an outside observer in this practice. You are a body sensing itself from the inside out. As you go through your day today, I invite you to notice if you, like Mr. Duffy from James Joyce's story, live a short distance from your body most of the time. And it's okay if you notice that that's the case. It happens to the best of us most of the time. Nothing to worry about. Simply bring your awareness to how often you actually can live as your body. And what are the circumstances that allow you to experience yourself as a body? As always, don't obsess with the inquiry. Approach it as a scientific experiment. Whatever you find out is great. Perfect results. Just have fun with it. Thank you so much for being here today. Once again, thank you for understanding for me skipping yesterday. And I will see you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Bye.